So now we are going to discuss the all four laws of thermodynamics. So now it's decided the laws of thermodynamics. So the zeroth law, which is the temperature one. And this law, if two systems are each in thermal equilibrium with a third system, they are all in thermal equilibrium with each other. They are in a thermal equilibrium. We know it is an exchange, so basically they are in the same temperature. Okay, they're the same temperature. The zeroth law wherein A is equals to B and A and B is equals to C, so basically they're all the same equilibrium. So we have here the examples, which is a real life example. When you use a thermometer to measure your body temperatures, the thermometer comes in thermal equilibrium with your body, since it's also calibrated with known temperature, and it reflects to your temperature accurately due to the equilibrium, or due to the zeroth law, which is the same in temperature. So now the first law, the energy one. The first law of thermodynamics is the law of conservation. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, it can only change form. So we have here the formula, which is change in thermal energy is equals to heat added to the system minus the work done by the system. It computes the thermal energy entering minus mechanical energy that exiting. So here we have the examples. First law of thermodynamics: the change in internal energy of a system equals to the heat added to the system minus the work done. So basically, a real example is which is a car engine. When fuel burns in a car engine, the chemical energy in the fuel is converted into kinetic energy, which is the movement of the car, and heat. The total energy is converted into, and just conserved, just change form. So just a change of form. So the second law, which is the entropy one. Entropy, degree of disorder. Entropy increases. This is more on disorder into heat, less disorder. The total entropy disorder of an isolated system always increases over time. Heat literally flows from hot to cold, so basically it's from hot, it's a process of hot to cold. Here we the sample. First, the ice building. Ice melts in a warm room because the heat flows from the warmer air, which is a high energy, to the cold ice, and increases the system disorder called entropy. So we have another one is the fridge operation. A refrigerator moves heat from inside to the outside, which is the warm environment or warm room, but it needs electricity to do that, increasing to the total entropy of the environment. So that is the second law. So we move into the third law, which is the absolute zero one. which is means absolute zero, which is in a zero constant temperature. The law of the system approaches about absolute zero, which is the zero to like 27 minus 273.15 Celsius. The entropy of the system approaches a minimum, often zero, for a perfect crystal. This is taller in decreasing order of temperature in increasing order of kinetic energy. Therefore, it is a constant entropy or a constant temperature. Remove the crystal. So what here the real life example, like cryogenics. This is the scientist trying to reach very low temperature near absolute zero. Find that it's increasingly hard to remove the remaining heat at this temperature. Particles move so little that this order entropy is which is the entropy, is nearly zero. So basically this is zero. So that's all the 4 laws of thermodynamics, and I hope you like the video. Please, that's it.